Hello everyone, I'm KK. Once again, welcome to my channel. In this video, you will learn Python variables. I will explain what is a variable, what it does, how it is assigned values, and how it works. So let's start with the variable. Suppose there are houses in your locality. In your locality, your house needs a name. What you do? You just place a nameplate at the front of your house. You place the nameplate in front of your house. People will now recognize your house through your nameplate. This nameplate points to the house, a variable points to the value that is stored in the memory. When you create a variable, the interpreter will reserve some space in the memory to store values. See, here is a variable. Its name is A. It is having a specific size in the memory which is reserved for this variable. Depending on the data type of variable, the interpreter allocates memory and makes a decision to store a particular data type in the reserved memory. Data types such as integers, decimals, or characters can be stored by assigning different data types to the variables. Here you can see this variable contains integer value 100. The variable named A contains a string value Krish. It is called a string variable. This is a floating point variable. In Python, variables are usually dynamically typed. That is, the type of variable is interpreted during the runtime. You need not specifically provide a type to the variable name. Unlike other programming languages, there are certain rules or naming conventions for naming variables. Also in Python, reserved keywords like if, else, for, these keywords cannot be used as a variable name. Variable names can begin with underscore, the dollar symbol, or a letter. Variable names can be lowercase and uppercase. Variable names cannot start with a number. White space characters are not allowed in the naming of variables. Assigning values to variables. You can assign values to variables using assignment operator. Python variables do not need explicit declaration to reserve memory space. The declaration happens automatically when you assign a value to a variable. The equal sign is used to assign values to the variables. You can see the syntax. Operand at the left of the equal operator is the name of the variable, and the operand to the right of the equal operator is the value stored in that variable. Single assignment. In single assignment, a single value is assigned to a variable. You can see here the variable city, which is at the left hand side of assignment operator, is a variable. That means city is the name of the variable, and the value enclosed in the double quotes, that is Delhi, is the value stored in this string type variable. This is string variable assignment. Variable amount is having a floating point value, so it is floating point assignment, and the variable amount stores the value that is a floating point value. Quantity, it is also a variable which is integer type. It is holding the value 4, which is an integer value. These are the examples of single assignment. You can see here these variables as a container. The value in the variable city is in string type. The value stored in variable amount is a floating point value. The value in the variable qty is an integer value. These variables has a specific size which is automatically taken care by the Python. You can see these names are given to the variables to give them an identity to distinguish them with the other variables. Multiple assignment. Single value can be assigned to several variables simultaneously. For example, you can see a equals to b equals to c equals to 10. All three variables a, b and c are assigned to the same memory location. Here an integer object is created with the value 10 and all three variables are assigned to the same memory location, you can also assign multiple objects to multiple variables. For example, here a, b, c equals to 10, 20, the string Krish. Here two integer objects with values 10 and 20 are assigned to the variables a and b respectively, and one string object with the value Krish is assigned to the variable c. In this video you learned about variables. In next video you will learn data types in Python. If you like, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.